So you all know that we launched Mirae Money so that we can help young aspiring investors like you to manage your money better using the experience of people like me who has managed multiple hundred crores, plus using technology to give you the right investment suggestion. So during this process, I have interacted with many investors like you, and I realized that there are a lot of misconceptions about investing itself. There are also many misconceptions about funds. One of the most popular ones being direct funds are free of cost. I agree, they are cheaper than a regular mutual fund, but they are not free. They also charge you a certain amount of expense ratio. So now I'm going to tell you the expense ratio of direct mutual fund which are very popular. Just stay with me. Here is the list of few popular funds and their expense ratios. Quant Smallcap Fund 0.77%, Nippon India Smallcap Fund at 0.67%, HDFC Top 100 Fund at 1.08%, Parikh Flexicap Fund at 0.58%, ICICI Prudential Bluechip Fund at 0.92%, Mirae Asset Large and Midcap at 0.62%, and Tata Large Cap Fund at 1.15%. All I'm trying to say is that by going direct, you definitely avoid paying commissions to investment experts who will build very good portfolios for us, which is fine. It is your choice, and this video is not about the debate of regular versus direct, but you still pay some amount of expense for making sure that the fund manager does his job and he charges you an X amount of expense ratio. Now, the thing at Mirae Money is we help you build your portfolio, manage your portfolio, rebalance your portfolio, reassess your portfolio using index funds. And our regular index fund cost is lower than most of the direct active fund that you have chosen. Yes, you can get the expert advice of people like us for as low as 0.6 to 0.7%. The choice is yours. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Happy investing.